Hello everyone. I just got home from work. I get off 1 hour early today because I gotta say so. As soon as I get there, they call me that they have emergency. So I'm back like 1 hour on time. So I say make I come tell on the new updates. 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 Anyway, as it is now, here almost 11 p.m. now our place. Now Chicago. How on a day? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are doing well. It's kind of chilly. Chicago and Bahana winter. So everywhere is kind of chilly now, as it is now. Please, if you come across this video, I would like you to share it. Updates. Michael Obindewo. So Jpac. This is the reason you keep telling me I'm chill after burial. You see? Or she rest book big there. Bia, I told him no disturbance this time. Oh, I don't want disturbance. But I go she rest now. So this is the reason why you keep saying after burial. I never knew. Well, like I keep saying, you don't know the people you're talking to. They will always come and tell me. So, guys, you share the program before me you know updates. Oh, you know the reason is after burial. Well, there is no cause for alarm. So, good morning. Some miscreants, some idiots. When I posted stuff, they keep talking rubbish. On my comment section. Like this afternoon, I'm not doing my buni. Mami hot chocolate on my platform. So, Zurike. Yalabe, welcome. I'm here on a platform. So, Zurike. This was now all this man. This was Amado Hage under my comment section. This I know here that I did not call, and the cow number one. Oh, Ogalaga lock or page here. Ogalaga lock or here, but thank God I even copied. This shows make a number day. This amusu make a number day. This a diabale. This a diabale. Winch. This is dear Balidika. I don't know what you're doing on my platform, and this particular one too. Everywhere commentary, Jesus will be a comment under my comment section. This Amusu. Wait, where is that? I'm not here. This of fogly, Torogologo topu brain. This Ozu. I'm here. I don't know why you guys are showing your first. This are Chineke wakwago kun iwere ihu make I hand on 24/7. Ozu tonda mabukwe egi. Onye kpotara gị na my platform. Onye kpotara gị onye liri ichi gị here. Onye liri ichi gị. Onye kpotara unu na my platform ozu mranwu. Onye kpotara unu here. I'm here. Amado Hamabukwegi. Uno Pora share by joining on my platform. Because when I insult, I go insult on my back. Now, somebody called me this evening. Okay, guess what? Nam guess ya ihe Jpac gwara ya. She agene because I'm a Jpac na de na mma. Ya shim na Jpac shi. Na after burial. Na wanyi ifanye Uba and the Nigerian government that they are coming to America to sue me. That is why he keeps saying after burial. Anyway, it's not a criminal offense. Even if you sue me, the judge will tell, come and provide your evidence, which I have my evidence. So, for the family of Ifeanyi Uba, I have gotten the message from Jpac. Like I told you guys, he can never keep secrets. He can never keep secrets. So I have gotten what you guys want to do. And that I'm ready. I welcome your lawsuit to America. You want to go? So Jpac and Aba, that. What do you want?
Can you pass me the charger that's over there?
Charger? Where's the charger? You mean from that side? They plug the other side. This is my mannequin head. When I come share, I cover my mannequin. It's my mannequin head. Whatever I lean over, I was going back home. So I don't want you to start disturbing me. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Jpac and now ban the person no get chiga huya that after burial that the family of Ifeanyi Uba is coming to sue me in America, couples with some senators, Nigerian senators. What I go? That they are coming to see me in America. I said, okay, no problem. I welcome the lawsuits. I have my evidence because I'm like Allah. In the American Ashigi, do you have witnesses? Do you have evidence? I'm like, okay, yeah. What I go? So, my people, Ifeanyi Uba family, no problem. I welcome on a lawsuit. I don't have nothing to say. Jpac is jubilating, telling the he does not have secrets. Anything the person just sent it to me. Shimbiko. Now me play call a voice here. Asha madam, hold on. Let me block you, sir. Aya, Otilo. The message is not for you. So they say that the person. So what did they say? The person sent me the voice. The person sent me the voice and I listened to it. Jpac and Aba. Namga Hinshia. Hapa block Ugomia. A block Ugomia. Yes, a block Ugomia. So yana Jpac and Aba. Namga Hinshia. Nature after burial. That one Ifeanyi Uba and Nigerian government are coming to sue me. Madam, no wahala. Please share on this video. Where she? No problem, my sister. In America, I did. Precisely in Chicago. Anywhere you call me, my sister, I go answer you. And I'm a told you. What I go? And I'm a told you. If I don't have money for lawyer, they will hire public defendants for me. They will come and defend me. So I will come and tell my own story. There is no cause for alarm. If it's the Jpac tell me, oh, so I'm just letting you guys know in case of so you guys will not reveal more secrets to them. So the new secret when I don't reveal them don't get to me. What I go? So my dear sister, I'm waiting. I don't have no problem. Especially in America, one in Nigeria, I'm good. Because Nigeria, when you keep them eat bars. Hey, what I go? As far as all here, I don't have problem. Because I have my witness. And I have my evidence. So there is no panicking. Exactly, you know what I'm coming to. Hey, what I go? I have my witness, I have my evidence. Anywhere you call me, I will come. And say it. And I will call my evidence, I will call my supporters. So when you go to Nigeria, and then Nigeria may take a phone call. You got water here because the judge would like to summon them to come to America. So I'm just saying. So that is how it is. You know, by then is it? What is here? Make this here Jpac. Here provide this only picture of my father. So it's even good. That it is coming to like this. Because by then, my judge, this is the particular man that brought out my father. By then, one thing will lead to another. But then you provide this year. So I don't have the problem, my sister. In America, where I did. What I go? How can I do evidence? I full ground. My family, your loved one, so anytime you guys call me, I know me. I don't know about my number is 312-912-4384. So Jpac and Abba after burial. So much just reheat him. Ooh. So when you make Jpac after burial. Oh, now it's beginning to make sense. Oh, begin to make sense. Well, there is no problem. I know me. I'm highly welcome to assume $1 million. No problem. Now, there's no cause for alarm. So I can go to Jpac pass up new information that you discuss with him or one year discuss on a plan. So guys, share them this video or even a family I got. No problem. There is no problem. I'm a citizen. Nobody will take it away. And they will have evidence. And have to prove it. You know? So, it's part of my, So, I will be sumo. Otilo. No problem. I know me. So I know say when I get too much money past me, but I will still maintain my stand. I'm waiting Jpac tell me you. Let me repeat it again. Jpac said, Nambo Wola, the person offer her help. No na she a bendia collect. Ni ke aje aga bendia. Na gejiza mu arabu ya arabu. Simple as ABCD. I'm not changing anything, man. So with all due respect, man, and on discipline, so I'm not intimate with everyone. So, okay, I love you, pass my man. God forbid you, because don't do that. You say Jpac told you, right? And then the court will ask you, provide Jpac. And I'll ask them to provide Jpac. I will ask them to provide Jpac because everybody know put through phone technology. And they will also provide Jpac. If the judge asks me to provide, the people that and the witnesses are not here, everybody must be complete. So I don't have problem. I say they don't leak secret for me now. They get ready now. I don't get ready. Ona de pa maka mmadu na eku papa huna ba Jpac ji onya na aba papa oge chichere after when if I know back. Now, some senators in the U.S. this oge. Well, Jpac have gotten the information, and I will continue to dismounting you, and you must come here. I get Because all the get provided the Ifeanyi Uba I'm talking about. Because there are many Ifeanyi Uba. So now you now go point the exact Ifeanyi Uba. Because I did not add senator. All I said is Ifeanyi Uba. So now you go then provide the Ifeanyi Uba you was talking about. You understand what I'm saying? So anybody can answer Ifeanyi Uba. Now you sabi the Ifeanyi Uba you are telling me. So it got buried like here. You want to go? So any millions of I never attach anybody's picture. I never bring the picture say now this person where they talk about. I just want to let you know. So now you now go provide that particular Ifeanyi Uba you are telling me. Because there are many Ifeanyi Uba. Oh my God. Because I never said this is the picture of the person that I'm referring to. You want to go? Us in the bloggers now refers to the picture. Us who the person I'm talking about. You want to go? I'm going to get provided the Ifeanyi Uba. You will see case. Now you, man, the Senator Nigeria. Also here get put because I did never add any. The video I made, go and check it back. I never add senator. I did not add any picture. So now you go provide. First and foremost, the senator has nothing to do in this case. It is a case between Ogechi and they say that's what I had though, according to Ihan about today. So I don't have problem with you all are coming. I can provide the final I'm talking about. Now you will know the person where you tell me. Now, so anywhere where you know one. So guys, so that's the latest news. Oh. That after burial, that they are landing in the city of Chicago to come and take me to court, which is acceptable. I don't have no problem about it. My fear won't catch Nigeria. So, but if he's here, I don't have no problem. After all, it's not even a criminal offense. It's a civil matter, which is okay for America. You want to go? That fear don't they? Me. Okay, fear. Makachim fear kwa. Or even when that person called me and Shimogen, I'm gave voice note. The person at Shimogen, are you not worried? The shame more. Emako do nyangu. Hey, adeke mo nyangu. Fear. Emako ya we be sumu here. Me. So now Jpac go bring the Ifeanyi Uba because I never added no senator. I'm just trying to be. Let's be civil here. If you're learned counsel, be civil. Did I bring out any picture to say, this is the person I'm referring to? There are millions of people that call Ifeanyi Uba. I did not add no senator. So, I don't understand. I never add doctor or anything. I just add Ifeanyi Uba. So now you go provide the Ifeanyi Uba you spoke about. No, let us don't say Ogechi. What can I be afraid? Afraid of what? Did I kill anybody? I did not kill anybody. I'm not gonna come to Nigeria. Oh. No, I'm not coming anymore. In modern age, you fear. What you say you are fear is what. Come on, don't say something and you don't say it. You cannot tell me to use my life to gamble. Nobody gambles with their life. You wouldn't with a 2 life to live. Mash, okay, let me come. Again. And I want to make the only thing I'm afraid is like, okay, you can't say this thing and you cannot say it. I'm not afraid, so I can always say something. But telling me I'm not on a G life for ya boy. My brother, come on now. You cannot say that. You cannot tell me that. My life. Odero 2 is only one, brother. And you know it. And you know it. So we don't go John. And I don't know John. Whether you talk on a lie in a true basarage. Now you sabi. If your brain will tell you, that means when lawyers go to court, they use a different terms in court. Does it mean that they are lying? You want to tell me that everything I'm saying are all lies? Does it mean when you go to court, lawyers use the terms you use on social media to judge you in the court of law? Does it mean that those lawyers are lying? Why are they using terms you use in the court? We are just using terms we are going to use in the court. Because these are the questions I got. I'm trying to be untouchable, brain unu deceive. You know, when we are talking about somebody dishonoured, you discuss like forget about social media. Social media when a term say is a different term when it comes to court issue. You want to go? So, but you said you have. Yes, I have proof, but Nigeria does not go with the proof. Haven't you been seeing threat? Okay, Chago, Chago, kill you. Now here, I won't make them come. Achom ka Jpac be here number one. I make they go DJ. I'm gonna get throw lawsuits on Jpac head for providing my father's picture, which is a HIPAA violation. That one another. Even can this I get jirigi. He just jail deport to Kwogi. You don't even understand what I'm saying. So Nigeria is a jungle place where no matter how it is, in down with No. We're having discussion now, my sister. It's not done. I will reply them with the common sense. So Hanabia is the best place. This place they are coming. Jpac have to provide the Ifeanyi. He told me on the phone. Because I never added no senator, no doctor. I never showed no picture. Also, no, I add those ones. I said it the way he told me. Time shut up. Who said also what you cannot finish? You want to go? So all of you where they call rubbish, Basarunu. I'm telling them that Jpac has revealed another security in case of what they will be telling him again. They don't tell me what they won't come do me already. You want to go? So come back and I'm the my aware. Jpac have gotten everything you said. That person ain't got number. Yes, I know me no shike. I got another secret where one of the plan consume me. You want to go? So they never sue everybody whether they accuse whoever they believe that is Ifeanyi. So Jpac will come tell me because I not show no picture. I did not bring anybody's picture. Say now this person where because Jpac never showed me who or he was referring to. So call me anywhere. I will just mention the name I heard. So Yamanazi the particular person and the one who my name boss no ya with the person. Aging conversation money any. I know they enter Nigeria. Lie. I can bowl my ticket. Iwatala. Abaram business class. I can bowl me and hash na haga kumu wana na haga hapro me as what they call it as a credit. So they don't leave them as credit. I know they go again. Actually, I'm kahabazie here. Come on, hapuzie na the court. So. OMG chunk I'm guno. So Jpac, thank you for revealing the secrets. Amaram no hija shi chereke emecha barrier. I never knew that that's the reason why you keep saying chereke emecha barrier, chereke emecha barrier. Amahum no. I should show the tickets. Kijikura no wuro onye. Kijikura no wuro onye. Auntie, please. You have done well to venture your innocent. No, I'm not done. No. Lie. I'm not done. Lie. I'm not going to finish yet. I want a lot to say. I have a lot. Have gotten down there back on the comment section. They will cry and go and sit down. They will not stop anything. They will not stop any. They will not stop any. Oh, you cool rubbish. You can try sama. So you can match up on sama happy. No, I'm not done yet. The spirit of my father possessed me to fight for him. And I will continue to fight until spirit help woman now. You want to go? So, hold on, let me block you. I don't respond to prostitutes. Alright, get out. For even asking me that, you're bringing my person down. Ashawo cannot talk to me and I respond. So for asking me that rubbish question, I'll block you. Go and enjoy Apona when I get to Wumbo again. I don't have time. I can only talk to people who can reproduce. So fuck off and go where you belong. Everybody when it classes, they belong in this blue app. If you want to belong in a set of prostitutes, you belong where people that open themselves, their body to look for customer. I don't look for customer to talk. If you like, you seek for my attention to eternity. You know, go get them because you know rich. You want to go? For asking me to show my ticket campaign, you again. And I don't open body to look for customer. You want to go? And I'm be one picking things to look for customer. But they are putting on our home to present for customer. I talk to my fellow women who can reproduce. I don't talk to them because what I mean. So I do not condescend to one to a rat. So if you want to gossip, you go to where your class and your mates belong. You want to go? Say if you are rubbish map and you again. You want to go? Banyo ge ko fe. I don't discuss with trash. You know, then the senator them na like na chom mama pando hana bom. Bear it in mind that if Igbo family don't have any issue with Jpac, you are the one they have issue with. Okay. You get provided on your with the Ifeanyi Ubano. You provide the Ifeanyi Uba and bring the picture who I was referring to. Anybody feel that come with a problem with me? Yeah, provide there. How many millions of people that are answering Ifeanyi Uba? So what are you saying? Your brain is too little to comprehend to what you wrote. So if you know I am referring to the particular person, what made you think that's the person I'm referring to? You guys just carried the scenario going everywhere, attaching picture. When I made my video, did you see anybody attach his or her picture? I'm asking you. So how will you know the Ifeanyi Uba I'm referring to? When I made my video, did I attach Senator Ifeanyi Uba from Inewi South? Was I specific? I don't even understand what the fuck we are talking about. You want to see me? These are the terms we're gonna be using in the courts. I'm trying to be civil here, and I'm trying for us to reason it. Don't want to give my Ifeanyi Uba I'm talking about. You need to provide it. I mean, that is it. And the person Ifeanyi Uba, Jpac, I'm not the person then do. I'm not the person then do. So all you can provide is the particular one. So all of you now when they run around won't put bring the picture the person I was referring to. You want to say he did not have, which of the Ifeanyi Uba are you talking about? Go and get my video. My video is online. I did not delete it. So you provide the particular one. So what are you saying? No, idiot to be equal their level of their brain. So can you I'm not coming. And I'm a lotta. That's it. I have deliberated it with my husband. I have cancelled it. I'm not coming. Mother agent to ya book. Yeah, and in next 1 hour you return back. I'm a check and walk. I'm return or back. You what I go? So no money no neku. I didn't provide no picture. I did not provide nobody's person. I stand with Oge. Chapuha, abara, I got chaga. One day, Jpac, I'm here in Baramba. After the burial, Oge, I will see. I'm here. Okay, Chaman, over America. You want to go? Okay, you need to study law. Honestly, you will be a good lawyer. It's a common sense now. These are the terms we will use in the courts. Let us, some people will say, okay, you are afraid. No. Nobody goes to courts and use the terms social media. It's not about being afraid. I'm going to use because I'll make sure I will get a lawyer. And I will also explain to my lawyer, I did not present no picture. I did not add no senator. You understand what I mean? I did not say this is the particular person I'm referring to. So I'm not going to get Jpac the case. Ozunu Uga, this is the person, this is the person. How many millions of people in Nigeria answering Ifanyoba? Go and Google it online. And the person of Guaramu, Ocean or didn't. So when more the person around, Bobuga Moku. I don't know what you guys are saying. You want to go? So Ozunu Gemewazi explaining call. Yashino Woya Guaramu, then which one did he think I'm referring to? Or Nkokugo Wonye? The one up here by your Wonye. How did he know that all the one I'm referring to? And when I'm seeing picture, yeah? Did I describe anything that will make you know that that's the particular person I'm referring to? Because of your own imagination. I will give her a Jonah Koto. No, Nasabi. This is the video. One of them touch the picture. Or Toshi Bakanji. Now she don't fear. No, this is Oku Court. So come now, back of fear. Let him explain. Who the fuck are they? What are they suing for? If I may, here Jpac can sue. If I may ask. When me video when you touch Jpac, on you want a beef. And when you touch a picture here that this is the particular, our bloggers are the ones attaching whatever they bring. We are telling them. Bring out the original video that I conducted on my, which is still here. I never deleted it. I never deleted it. So soon, and onyo Guaramu, onyo feel no young Guaramu. More provide this is the person, then all the person go. Did you understand the point now? Amaro neku. Amaro the person ekuru. Then I just say He provides here the person no the person because he got him the picture. Hell that in heaven. Me provide. You want to go? Me is the matter was rigi. They provide here the person because somebody because I can make conversation here because tomorrow I got my own double. I do how manage him have double H. They wanted me to stay over today. I don't want to stay over because can be a lot of I go. Me. So now you can request to join. Get your a lawyer. A lawyer can explain better. So anybody saying that they're coming to sue me for what? Sue me for what? So in the Senator Nigeria, I don't matter him that big. If you don't know, wanna happen no many things so no gonna deal with Nigeria. I will for who is you find over? I don't fear I'm a barrister and defending. No, I could language in the court. Yeah. Hello? 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 Yeah, hello? What do you mean by when me picking your call? I don't understand you. I don't understand you what you mean by the way me picking my call. When you next ceremony again? Ọ wee na-adị ihe m na-ekwu. Nakwa mmadụ bụ zọkpọ m shina akpọrọ m yesterday ekwe m epik kọl ya. Na-ajụzi m hello. Biko request ya nụ ka anyị gbanụ nkata asị ndị gara skuulu biko.
Request ya biko. N'oge eja na wa akwala m very dark woman ọjọọ. I have a ticket to Nigeria soon. You are too much. I'm trying to add. I don't know. I'm trying to add people. Okay. Look for better network. Oh. George Abasala. Pity. Hello.
Okay, okay.
Hey,
Okay, okay. All them come see Texas, be not Chicago, be the Hawk.
Hey.
Caracas. No, where's the Nigeria? How the American? They are
the big baby will
one
be.
Zionite. One only. Each area how go.
That's everywhere.
Now with
Everywhere.
evidence. On your hand again on. Let me not show any picture. So just as you know, yeah,
who I'm referring to. Exactly.
Forget them. What are you talking about? Forget them.
I got you okay. Let me come and talk to my learned ones. Because I'm not who is she referring to?
Oh, one lady. I forgot to pick up her name. Oh, when you on they show you, saying, oh, where's your move? Oh, wouldn't yes, oh, wouldn't Abakashela.
Okay, Choma.
No, they didn't move. I say I move what was where the baby day. The time God see
I have the banana. All the that's one now. Give it a call to that. What is this? What is the meaning of this?
What the heck? Hello?
What the heck? What is the meaning of this? Does this mean anything? I will like an American. Make them bring it on now.
Talking about. In fact, how do you go to land an airport? Oh, yeah, we have to go there. Oh, you do not Chicago now. I am now slow. There's a Camry.
But the Auruna, national Nigerian government, na hane sue. Get a hane sue, if I may ask.
No, has to you in Nigeria. Get see you about camera zone. You got to have to go to India. Then we have a wedding, nature wedding. You have to know. I know you know about. I see a natural day here very late. Okay,
When I said Ifan Obame has so rest in peace, I know. Ifan Obame so rest in peace. On here we find Obama.
No, I don't need to bother yourself.
On here we find Obama.
I need
you know how many thousands of people in Obama? You have to present the picture of the person I'm referring to.
No, let them go to what do you call it? How got to?
On we find Obama.
Now go. How many
thousands of people in Obama? What are you saying? In my opinion, to prove to every reasonable that is the person I'm referring to.
Okay. Chetakwa na Jpac ga-agala abụọ. Onwe gị ị na-ekwu ife anyị gbalụzo test ọ ga-aga. Ichetakwa ya aka test.
No. Hapụgodị nke lab. Nke lab dowegede one side. Ihe m na-ekwu na, how do you know that's the particular Ifeanyi? Because there are millions of thousands of Ifeanyi Obanwuru. Jpac had to provide the particular one because nke m na-ekwu amarobo onye ọbụ onye nwagwara mụ. Then he has to provide enyo na onye ọlụ ofilin n'ọwụ.
Onye
na-eme ya. All I called was name. I can say Ifeanyi Obame of so rest in peace.
Ogosite onye wepụta mpa gị. Ma case ahụ ga-atọ ụtọ. Case ahụ ga-agba mma. Case ahụ very nice. Oh, very nice case.
I hope onye gụgidere nwe to professor.
Maka ama na America adịghị akwu okwu social media. America adịghị aka akụ social media.
America better clock in clock out from social media.
Ndị sinetọ a na-akwado afọ nwere ike nwere ihe akwụ sef ya kpatara afọdịchi ya ka ọ bụ na ọ gawa aga.
I don't care whether I'm the real or the This guy,
Ala.
hello, can you disturb Romo? Can you disturb Romo? We're not near him.
Akwa Igbo si amụọ nwoke ka ọ wụrụ nwoke. Nwoke
Mm.
pụta ya arọ. Okay, but
Okay,
tell me, ihe nwoke ga-eji apụta akọwara ụdịka ya akọwara
oh,
nwaanyị.
get it.
Ịkpọkọtara onye
Just
ahụ
straight to the point. You told him
ọgụ
can
nwoke
name 1,000,000
ibe ya ka
times.
ọ na-akọrọ ụdịka akụkọ ahụ. Ihe awụ akụkọ a na-akọrọ nwaanyị. Ihe awụ.
Asị ife ayo bụ ọlụ ọzọ mpa mmadụ ga-ewepụta. America dị good iwepụta foto mmadụ onye nwụrụ anwụ nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ ị ga-ekwe enye gị ndị amadi ewe
A
America.
na-ekwu nke a esuye ya ọwụ
America ndị amadi ewe America.
you know, it sounds like
America na aka
they are
social
working
media.
in the hospital. Mmadụ nwụọ now, you will respect that person.
Mba, and I'm allowed. I can well on my ticket. I know they go. Okay, I don't know, but I told him I'm allowed. I told me, thank you. I get pull it on live program because. Well,
ọ na Jpac bịanụ Jpac ka ekwute nke ife ayo gbuo ọnụ ọgwa Jpac ma onye na-ata gị n'ike ịma anụ ife ayo nke ọrụ
I am the person.
iwepụtazi onye nke ọrụ iwepụtazi ego gị foto onye nwụrụ anwụ iwepụtakwezi ọ Jpac bịa nwe case
Because the one young we put the bottle.
agbata anyị na-ekwu isi according to Jpac ọsọ
According
ya
to
ma onye na ya na-ata ya ka ọzọ eme ya na-ata.
Jpac, thank you for leaking the new secrets. Because I'm not up there with the guy. You keep killing me. Thank you. So because
Jpac afọ
after the
na-asị ya
best, I better galang banano.
Jpac afọ na-asị ya niile aka na-ekwu nke okwu okwukọsọ ọzọ.
Okay, I'll give you DSS cover. Don't give me another go. I'm not mandate DCT. I'm not mandate DSS or one of these people hate him, hate style. But what can I make with you? And I'm not. I know they go. Nigerian government are joining hands to come and sue me. Like, Antoge, we are still sleeping. No, wake up. There's no sleeping. You know how they sue me. You know how they sue me.
You can't allow Lola.
You can't. So you can't get my rest now. So you go to sleep. That's why. Pity now. That's so my sister cannot hear. Hello, my sister from Texas. You cannot hear.
Oh, no network with you.
Hello.
Hello, good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Yeah, joining from Germany.
Okay.
So, I'm online now. So, Fuhela got on. First and foremost, the case la tomochi. The case la tomochi. You know why? Moja tomochi. The Jpac, according to what you said, well, as somebody na the family of the person he mentioned, which I don't want to mention, see that now they are coming to the United States soon, and other senators as well. Yeah, and other senators as well are coming to sue.
Nigerian government senators.
It doesn't make sense to me. The reason why it doesn't make sense to me is that this is a case of defamation, right?
Oh yeah, no.
And and from your conversation with Jpac, he helped Jpac Obrage. Or mention somebody, and you mentioned the person, right? You did not mention Nigeria senators.
No.
Neither did you mention Nigeria government.
No.
So if what he said, if what he said that Nigeria senators are coming to see you, they don't have any case with you, except they can be able to prove that it has something to do with the reputation, which you did not even mention.
I did not. I did not even show no picture.
understand. Yeah, I understand. It's another thing. It's another thing. So, and from I'll be following this case anyway from the onset. Emere, you could is that like you have this thing with the conversation with him. So if you have it, and then when you get to court,
I
you
want
play
a
it.
witness. I want people that were on the call of that date. He dates.
You
I
play
want a
it.
witness
He will not be the one.
to
He will
provide
not
the
be the one
person
to
Okuga.
tell you the person he was talking
Exactly.
about.
Oh, you want the person. Oh, you want to provide the identity.
And you know why I'm happy? You know why I'm happy here? Since he claimed that they are coming to the United States, I think it's a very, very good case.
Exactly.
You know,
Ah, people from Nigeria.
all these people in Nigeria may not understand what you are saying because in Nigeria, how do they follow the right court process? They do court process. Once they want to fight you, they will fight you to the last.
Exactly.
But outside the country, everybody, I get a fair hearing. They
Thank
will
you.
follow it normally. You know, these people are not exposed. They have not been outside Nigeria, so they will not understand what you are saying. Are you getting me? So what do only job land on the case?
No,
They will not understand what you are saying. They will
my
never.
brother. Imagine Jpac information. Ima, like now, uno family, my family, uno, what I go. So,
Yeah,
no, you have to tag my pass here in case you may
exactly.
uno show hand. So,
And
Oga
another
Shimana,
thing,
Jpac could give a pass. Before
another thing,
could give pass you immediately. So nothing.
another thing. Okwu ọbụla si Jpac lọnọpụta ọ dey make sense listen. But I like Timothy to take this decision because you wouldn't know. Are you getting me? Since
because
I think you should.
Omega program yesterday, she Cherenu after the burial. So the person who check him after the match. Oh, that makes sense. What I go? That
Yeah,
makes sense. Oh, you could after
yeah.
the burial. After the burial, they are coming to America to sue me. So, now,
Jpac
Nigerian
upon
government.
to Jpac, you upon to
So,
Jpac.
and also Jpac no way yeah, they were involved in the case if he doesn't know
I know.
because he was mentioned.
My brother, I like him because when member that one if I know Bagbarabo, and when member of the only do Tagbarabo, Jpac told me. So I get provided Jpac and Jpac Biazie. My was the judge that Onya Wonya Buputero Sunamo.
Now should I shock you?
Go ahead.
Let me shock you now.
Go ahead.
This thing again, Jpac formed this thing called reclaim more because he couldn't, express himself anymore because someone he could be open. But tell like motive know this thing. Almost who fights to run away lives to fight another day. Are you getting me? But
Yeah.
this they know this thing. But this know this thing. It's an information and it's coming from him because only where she knows it.
The person is shame
So
n'oge na m lekwa ihe na-eme na ndị asị na ha bịara America bisho onye nwe onye ha sị Nigerian government and nwaanyị Ifeanyi Uba so which of the Ifeanyi Uba ya sị Ifeanyi which of the same when I senator m gwara unu
made it the senator Solabian. Nigeria government are choosing. Did you commit treason? Are you trying to control the government? On what ground? They don't have. There is no. I'm not for all these things. I will have to leave now. But to all these things, I put on Facebook now. This thing are pretty true. You have one of one Jpac. Money only on the room. Allah see a push. Allah cause so many things.
My brother. Because people who are around him on majority of them had the number.
So you know what I will advise you? You know what I will advise you? Speak your truth. Nobody should intimidate you. Okay? Speak your truth. I like this.
My brother.
I like this your decision. Cancel every plan you have in Nigeria now and watch the situation. No, these people will not understand. When they come outside the country, Western world, they will understand how court processes work.
Exactly. They will understand why I
because in Nigeria, all of them know the truth. But the Mazinabakalu case, all of them know the VDM case, all of them know the truth. But because it's true, they don't want to accept the fact that he is open. Are you
Exactly.
getting me? There is no justice in Nigeria. But if it's outside the country, this case will not even take up to 6 months, just pass verdict. Fair hearing. But in Nigeria, they will keep the person 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, allow to hurry the case.
7, 8 years, the case
Even when you
in
provide the
Nigeria.
evidence. So my sister, I will go now. Say your truth. One, that's your decision. That's your decision. Cancel any plan to go to Nigeria for now.
I cancel my ticket today.
Yes, very good. Okay, now bye bye.
All right, my brother, take care. Mamu ke ebe na ano. Ka m wepụ gị. Okay, ka m wega ka ọ gị nwe onye. Epugo? Peter. Wepụgo m ya kwuwezie.
So, Jpac na-eje akpọ ndị na-enyere ya aka. Ache n'isi na ibu ABI ndị ihe na ka ezi ebe ị na-agbaje chọwazire ga-eje gọọmenti ga-abịanyere gị aka.
My brother, you know what? So the thing is, when witnesses, when people not online in that day, when I want a conversation, and all of them are still alive. What I go?
Yeah.
And so I want to provide the people or the person not referred that to. What I go?
Onye na-atị ka ọ tagbuo ihe.
Onye na-atazi I abanzi the person. What I go? So the thing is, and the thing is that when you put a picture, because I'm the particular person on I refer to. What I go? So also they provided the person. And the thing, while like Mota have the America, because Nigeria, everywhere, threats, they go kill you, they go come. There is no duplicate in life. Come to marry you. What I go? So I try to na-ekwu ihe m na-ekwu. Ịghọtala? A chọrọ na ha gbuo m ha emechie m ọnụ. Ịhụ ka ha si nwụrụ maazị were maazị tinye maazị does not talk anymore. Ịghọtago? So ka m nọrọ chọchọ m imechi ọnụ because achọrọ m ị na-ekwu. Ịghọtago?
Hello.
Hello, my brother, welcome.
Yeah. Okay, Kekwan.
Ọ dị mma sa ka ịgwa.
Ọ dị mma no. I will your correct fan.
One
of your fans. Yeah. Muna gi o onye na-ewu ka ịbụ abi.
Na Nnewi South.
Yeah, more Nnewi South, Jpac Nnewi South.
Which
I've been following you for long.
Which part of Nnewi South are you? So I know number now.
Yes,
yes.
Yes. We are all
child.
Yeah, more be China. China.
Chai, you're welcome, my brother. Chai, what's the one name called? Chai.
Yeah. Because I'm a follow no na this thing. But I always follow you, comment.
Yes. I'm comment again.
One nature. Because only him chọrọ your gam of na Jpac nwanne m nwoke emejogo. Anyị nwee ike yọọ on behalf of mejọrọ gị and ọ ya bidoro the war. So and na every action is equal to reaction. That is fundamental of life, you know. So him na yọ gị na onweghị ihe a na-esu gị ihe awụ okwu ka ekwuru. Nobody is suing you. It's just a talk. So him na yọ gị ọwụ na ị ga-ekere m okwu na ka close okwu a ịghọtara close dị okwu just ka anyị mee ihe ọzọ ka na-enyekwa ya obi aṅụrị ma China ebe anyị adịghị eme Facebook. We have to buy VPN for us to connect Facebook. Anyị anaghị eme Facebook ebe anyị anaghị eme YouTube ebe anyị anaghị eme WhatsApp. So ọ dịghị n'obodo a but ị must ịzụ VPN to connect it. So it's part of thing they keep I busy here. So
without Facebook,
without Facebook, TV, how can I went home here DSTV ever. I went all those things. So I'm not your girl. I wanna get close with your qua. Or give a coordinaka or broad Jpac dog naka. He close with honey, I watch everywhere.
Lie.
So he close where he have we can good day for your
close why even probably have a zoom man make a video about it. Close why?
Wireless soon. Yeah, normal. Oh, go there, man. Get carrying car Facebook na. I ain't follow. But they carrying car. I will go there, man. At the end,
because if they are coming, that means even and they bury their family member on social media, they know they see them. Ya won't go get you. Eh?
into what?
Now lie, you. I'm not going in the sense of intimidation to close. Now lie, I'm not go close. I'm not a close. Huna ke yo Nigeria kabuola me, I know they go. I know they go.
Week for them. Now,
So
Cheregodi for now.
before now, maybe next year.
As long as so big, I'm going to cancel it. He'll begin to do it.
She got I'm now like this. The question down out with him. Shamba. Yeah, spiritual and physical.
Mana buy na on wiki na-feel no onye iro ga-agịnị abara mba mere ya ndị ọzọ nwere opportunity a mee gị ihe at the end alas na onye agịnị abara mba but ọ wike onye ọzọ na-gịnị aseburu okwu ọ wike onwe onye buru gị ihe n'obi opportunity a mee gị anything ịghọtago obi gị cancel gị ime that thing is better.
My brother, I'm going to yeah.
Okay. Only eventually you can everybody na gente no.
Yeah.
So batana ndi. Kedi foti agana ndi Igbo nsogbu ikwu eziokwu. Onye ọbụla body malon ife parents mean mmadụ somebody lose the nne somebody will picture not ọbụkwa na onye akwụ n'ọnụ onye anwa na-ekwu na-egosi picture well picture a family man mee yeye on internet ndị a na-adị asị chere hapụwa why no nwere any of them nwere ike reach to that animal ka ọ bịa mee if I na public apology, it was where they consider very thing. We talk if we that apology on it. Can you what time the money that's about that one? Look, after after 1 month, we repeat what the same thing to another person. You know, for me, I'm not in support of two people fight or brother and sisters fight. It's wrong, but the question is, can you people they fight? Somebody have now. Money only book up laugh. Make this reference now. Nobody will talk. And I can somebody's personal father. So eventually, that very young man, the involved now, he should come out and do the necessary. Malo na ifo melo balo. And don't you know the J defend if female if I issue given why is she everyone from my meaning of public assault on a person. Somebody you know
I want to defend there. Email my father he can't any of my relation, not even my father, many of my relation, my mother, everything. I was very angry.
Yes.
Don't refer to my that
you know. So
is my life.
No problem.
So
to my father or my family. No, we home again. Very, very wrong.
All the too bad. Too bad. So I'm surprised. You guys has to get to him. You have to get to him.
Messi blame.
Correct
This is escalate. That thing. I will not buy home that
forgiveness.
That time. Oh, close when her they made that thing go escalate. That is the way they solve problem.
Yeah.
But on back home until get where you were. Don't need to know. I'm old phone number. I'm old phone number. We can buy when you were because come on.
Even if
My
Okay.
brother.
Ihe my brother na-ekwu ebe a wolu mgbọsi ihe chọrọ ikwu mana ị mụrụ ọgwụ ihe na-eme ndị be anyị odo gị na Jpac alak m nọ na so
Okay, sir.
much
Thank you.
oge gị na-eme program ọgụ wa mere ka ndụ gị na Jpac mere ka ndụ na social media na-ege a lot of things that time na-emesi program but abụta mgbe okwu sebere mana mgbe njọ for social media ka magana ya dị na mma well and ị na-enye good advice and whatever you saying there I learned a lot of things from you and you are directing you always ị na-akụziri ya ụzọ na-agba ya mmadụ okwuru ka mmadụ adị mmadụ ikwudo n'okwu ibu mgbe ị na-akwa ọka na-enwekwa okwu a na-akụda ibe ihe moto ịmụ ihe ị gwara ya agwa bụ ihe gbasara maka moto ahụ nyecha ya advice ya asị nwanne mmadụ so animal like mmadụ ọkwụrụ ka mmadụ Jpac I love Jpac so much I don't follow program ya ọgwụdago mgbe na ihe na-adị ewute ahụ m onye asị mana m ihe my brother na-ekwado nwere okwu na-edipet every day nna na-achụkwu ihe butere okwu iwe ji obi juru agbawa gị eri ihe a na-ekwu nwa Jpac pụta bịa oke nna mere ya soshal midia o nwere ike ka ọ tata gị conference call ka ọ tata akụ Zion ka ọ tata ya dis gọọmenti nnụ na-atụ ma nnụ na-anọghị anya nọ dis mata mgbe ole ahụ ya akụ Zion fọmeti ihe dị ya n'obi gọvanọ gị fọmeti dị ya n'obi gọvanọ gị fọmeti dị ya onye ọbụla nwere ebe osu emeje ibe ya mgbe biko mgbe ụmụnne mgbe anyị chere ụmụnne gị na onwe gị wụkwa nwaanyị n'ebe ahụ ime peace isa mgbe ihe dị otu achọghị ihe dị otu ama again maka mkpọ nke ewu eziokwu ama m ebe for more personal ebe su egwu iwe so much ebe Jpac pụtara na social media na ndị ụka yuzuru ya na ndị ụka mere ya ka ya wike ree nwanne ya na ndị ụka mere ka o wike jee nye nwanne ya poison why do they say something like that in the social media ole ndị ụka ahụ Zion onye wu Zion Ebuka Obi why all those things and ihe na-awụdi ihe bizi oke nwoke otu a ga-ede ije chebeta ihe pụta maka ya fada ife na nwoke aka rịpụta ma this extent o ụlọ pụta bịa ma apology onye obodo biko adị m sorry ama m na mena gị na ị ga-emecha kpọọ gị wedịn bịa wedịn na ihe ewu ihe nwanne na nwanne ka gbaghara m love goes on kwụsị ndị na-atụfere akụ Zion n'okwu kwụsị na-atụfere oge echi okwu kwụsị na-atụfere ndị Zion n'okwu hapụzi okwu gaa move ya love ugosi dey follow you dey go but you wetazi okwu ha na-ewetazi in that way no ihe public apology ahụ gwa the real thing but o nwere ike dịrị ya difficult because ana m eme ka m gbakwa na ala program with Jpac I will still advise him is my brother nke onwe my sister the thing adịmago ọdụmago the beyond oya cost a lot of things and oya wee ga-eluzu no ọgwa ịhụrụ ya biko ihe nna ya ọ bụ ka ọ mara ga ga-esi ga-eme dị ọwụ na nnu ọwụ na aga contact conference call secretly nne butere na social media nna ebutere na social media ga-alụdowo na emere peace na social media anyị nwere agresi
ọga mba na peace ị na-ata adọrọ mma mba Jpac emebela abụ mba chọrọ m peace na ekpere nna ekpesi izu na bi mebiri ekpere lapụrụ nụ ya na-aga n'ihe a na-atọ ụtọ lapụrụ na ihe a ọga unu emezidere otu a unu na ya salụ mmadụ ekpere na aja niile nchụcha ịchọka Jpac na otu a ọdị unu na-eme adị mma ụna ego ka ndị gote ewu
ọwụ na Jpac gị pụtakwara esikwa ma apologize ndị Zion ma apologize oge echi aka ma apologize
otu ntị jide Jpac ọmaghị ọnwụ biko otu ntị jide Jpac iji mgbe ọfụma ọmaghị ọnwụ biko Jpac amaghị ọnwụ biko Jpac amaghị ọnwụ biko ama m ihe m na-ekwu onye ka m jiji di ya oge echi na onwe isi ada nabata ekpere ama m ihe m na-eme ọ bụrụ ebe a na-ege ogoyi n'owu ya eji ogechi limemba na ọtọ nwunye Jpac afụbekwu ya ọ kafụkwa Emo na-akụ ife ọ na-akọ. Saga na-atụ ụtọ. Saga na-atụ ụtọ ụtọ akụ nke Saga na-atụ ụtọ ụtọ akụ nke
ndị mmadụ ka m na-eme ka maka ha nwere ebe okwu si were pụta ịta ka hụ na ndị ụka ya usoro gị
ka ifu ha mentality onye nna ya ọrụ biko ka ifu ha nkọ iri ọ na-akọ iri how stupid ọ dị.
ibute krete nemiti ihu onye na-ejezi sa hụzi ya sị enemi ihu onye na-ejezi hụ ya sị ndị na-enye nsi ụzọ very very bad ama m nke ọwụ kwuru ya na ọka ọhụrụ na ọwụ na o kwuru okwu na ọka
ọ bụrụ o kwuru okwu mba ka ehe lụọ ya ọ na-achọ Mathias ka Mathias he lụọ ya o nwere na-ehe lụ gị ọga nọrọ your own gawa ụgba gị
ama ma o kwuru ya ka ọ were okwu ibupụta ya picture father ka wee pass wee feel bad because I love Jpac, I love both of you. You program na nna na-eme ya ọ na-aga n'anya na ya na m like ya so ọ na-atọ ụtọ so biko nwanne m nwoke inyobe ike na inyobe kwasa na-abịa Amerịka ha bịa na Amerịka ha mara ma ya Amerịka ga-asọtụrụ dị mata
okwu a na-ekwu maka gosiri
ka kpọtọkpọtọ gbara aka mere eme atụgosi na amatara ebuka obi mmadụ nke na-atụ ego ebuka obi n'ime ya nwoke madebụrụ onwe ya ebezi na-eme onwe ya program na a na-achị ya na-abịa na eme mgbe ji kpọgị na gị bịa program ya owu ruore gị ije elu ihe ewu dị iti ihe ọbụla ebuka obi nke ọbụla ebuka obi nke ọ ga-anwụ na bikọs ọ bịara n'ụwa amụma ihe na-eme ihe besoro onye ndị ọgwụ akụsa ya omere ihe na ụgbọ na-akụ akụ udume n'oge si na n'ime disi nwata ha bụrụ ya na-abịa eme ka ha gaba bịa na-eme mgbe ebe a ga ga-anata justice ka onye ọbụla dịrị free so nnukwu ada ama m iwe gị dị ọkụ nke ukwuu ị na-ebutenata onye kasị ka m tie ya.
All right, my brother, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Jpac ọhụrụ ebe ị na-eje ihe ọkwana biko ị ga-akpọkpọ ma Jagaban na trip ọsọ senators ị ga-akpọ Jagaban ọgwa ndị bring it down ndị agha shutubekwe ndị ahụ nwekwa ebe akpọfụ gị kọtụ esubekwe gị na amụ ama na akụkọ mmiri na-eribi ya emecha ị ka ya agala test ahụ nke uche m dịrị ya ị ga-agarịrị test ahụ ma ị chọrọ ibute mpa mmadụ nwụrụ anwụ bịa na-akụ ya ị na-adịkwu maka mpa ebutere ị na-abịa ekwughere emechara anya all after we check emechara anyị ka ya ama na a na-akụ ya ikpe adị ama gị ị dị right na nke ime na Jpac
Hello?
That mother cage. Good morning. Good evening. Aside them.
Good evening, sir.
I'm working.
Okay, Cheregodi, my brother. Hold on, working. No, I don't hear. My brother, Cheregodi, we actually spoke because my brother, I don't know.
I'm one who cook on my food. Okay, don't worry.
Okay. Ask me when something decision he take, which I wanted to talk to you as a sister, but we have taken that decision.
Nah.
Emma, our plane, which this morning that you're not going again, I was so happy.
Okay.
Yes, our place in Nigeria is a jungle. It's
a jungle.
It's a jungle. Nothing like justice in
Not
Nigeria.
at all.
Everything they want to, with the level of insecurity of buying, And with all this thing, I'm not going to lie to you.
I know.
Because I don't know the kind of security they give. Okay, just like what happened yesterday. My barrier, if I know, but do you see the level of personnel, security personnel who know yesterday? Now that place, it's not just only this a war country, and I have a war like this country.
I don't know. Just very hello.
Just very the kind of army, police, yes, the kind of ammunition for yesterday.
I hope you have before.
What is happening in this country? Are we safe? Are we safe? Yesterday, they were not going to anything like in fracas yesterday.
Because after so much.
What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? So the security but I need what I did.
I know.
I need what I did too. When you have taken the wise decision.
No, one ticket tomorrow. I'm not going to go again.
That's the wise decision you take, my sister. That's the only thing I want to contribute. Any other thing they want to do, let them go ahead.
Let them do. I bet soon. I like them here. Thank you.
Take that decision because we don't have law.
No, not at all.
They are not like police. They are not like law. Justice is not in Nigeria.
I'm telling you. Actually, issue. I go to talk. Thank you.
Yeah.
Who am I, brother? Continue, my brother. Hello? My brother, can I name the question? I'm mute.
I'm welcome kita.
I'm welcome now.
Okay, I'm making good evening, everybody. And
good evening.
As near yen charity no kwabo, uchem kem kan ne fi tago. Tibo zabo whatever je. Ineje ba ina na ba odemma. But the only thing that solve this problem is peace. Then if you go Jpac front and back, here na we na 82 or 92 or 101. I'm on a and I'm on a majority in any angle. Mana, for the safety of you and I, everybody they involved, I need to buy, and I ain't having one peace. I want to enter the Abona Jpac there for peace, which I know you've been asking for indirectly. Manyangwa with the Oberucha Kanucha on a hotel like that. You go hear the opportunity for that peace or reconciliation or for an apology.
My brother. My brother.
Yes.
The one that I put so putano one.
Oh, yeah. Yes. I'm happy this like that.
See what I'm saying?
Yes.
And the what I got on the wash that's an actual peace. The what I go? Jpac major on my father. And I'm gonna me I'm gonna from the first day or go abidore. Not gonna on my father publicly. By then, Yagbamu person that my father raped me. Also, Yagbamu ben nam no these are simple things. And they have Zion and the Zion people can move along their life. Indirectly and directly. These are the three things I ask for. I don't know. My brother, I on peace. Each of peace. You want to shit that's in Suburi Yamma. You feel, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah,
but no, like Gina, if you believe that these people story chicken na poison give somebody, then go. Mind your business. Hapo akwaka. Hapo Bukobi and church aka. You know? Move on. No, like you say you know go agree. Okuyenda is so cool. So
ama
that's
m ihe
it,
ị
my
na-ekwu.
brother.
So ihe ọzọ m chọrọ ịgụ ya ama m na Jpac na ihe anyị na-ekwu currently ya now
No,
ama na ọ
here
na-watch movie.
24/7. No, no,
Yeah,
yeah.
ama m na ọ na-anụ ihe a mana ofu okwu ọzọ m chọrọ ịgụ ya mmadụ agwabeghị ya since ọgụ a bidoro. Jpac nwanne m nwoke ịbụ ezigbo nwanne m nwoke ịbụ nwa di ya na nke ebu ama m na ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu mana ofu okwu m chọrọ ịgwa gị kịta na ndị be anyị si na elibe ụzọ libe egwu onye mụ ihe dị oje were ụzọ onye nzuzu ji oje were egwu okwu a ka m ga-ahapụrụ gị ebe a Jpac isizikwa nnọọ ndị akwụ gị n'akụkụ na-asị gị gawa 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 mana sọsọ ilu a ntụpụrụ gị na were ire gị ji ego eze gị ọnụ isi n'ụzọ ka gị mma iwere ụzọ isi na ego n'ọnụ ka gị mma na-ewu buru anụ tawa ịtachakwa anụ anyị ga-amakwa ebe o jedebere. That's just the only thing na-agwa Jpac adama na ọ na-anị ha na-ekwu mana nevertheless ebe na-achịkọta okwu na-ekwu esoro mma akpụ just na ihe na-achịkọta okwu na-ekwu bụ peace ka m chọrọ ama na ị chọrọ peace Jpac chọrọ peace but within him ọ chọrọ peace mana ọ ndị anụ ya n'akụkụ bụ problem o nwere mana ọ chọọ ọ mara ihe ọ chọrọ ya mere gawa akwa agbata ọsọ agụma even nkịta ara agbaza ọsọ na-agụ mile ọbụ ọzọ agbacha agụọ mile a na-agba na-agụ so ọ dịrị ya ọ chọọ ịmara onwe ihe ọ mara onwe ihe ọ chọkwa izuru ego iji kọntaktị mmadụ ga-ejikwa nke gị people jide ike nke gị a na-eme ka edozie okwu edozie ị na-agasa agasa a na-eme ka achịkọta ị na-agasa agasa ịkọrịsị ebe ịkọrịsị ebe ịdị agbajisa ga indirectly ị na-agbakwa ụwa na-aga ị na-achụ oge eti ị na-achụ ndị ụka ị na-akụ Zion. Biko nwanne m nwoke Jpac ama m na ị na-anị ihe anyị na-ekwu kịta biko were nwayọ my brother ihe m ji ekwu bụ adị m asọpọtụ ọgụ asọpọtụrụ Nsaga oge echi apịa gị my brother ozugbo since ụnyaahụ m kwubere okwu ara kwumie na nke a ka ọma kwuo ya nke ihe na-ekwudobe bụ peace etu ọ bụla o si dị biko peace bịa udo bịa Jpac ọ tekie gị iyo biko o nwere ihe o wepụ gị na ị na-agara onwe gị ihe ọ ga-etiti ọka bụ tiketi ya na should have done that ị na-anara onwe gị o nwere onye iji ihe as long as na peace do nwere ga-adọ gị n'akwa peace bụ the best nothing mana mgbe a na-eme tigbuo ozugbo si gbaba wụọ saa ya na-ebiko nwanne imeta ọzọkwa ya bụrụ ihe a ndị mba ofesi a na-agba ndị obodo na-aba na-akụ uso at the end of the day anyị abịara na tebụl ihe dị na ha emebiri emebi adịgo condemn kedụkwanụ gain ya nothing so mụnwa na-ayọ gị nwanne m inyego room for peace mụnwa na-ayọkwazi my brother bụ Jpac biko Jpac nna chegharịa just iche iru iche azụ biko chee iru chee azụ etu ọ bụla o si dị were iwelu asọ mmiri eche na ihe ndị mmadụ ndị agha na-agwa gị datin na-asị gị jebe na onwere ihe na-eme ọ nekwa anya na ha dịbụ 10 before 6 withdraw go 44 meaning na ebe ahụ ị na-aga n'ụzọ adịghị ya aja na bike asọrọ gị segburu ana indirectly gị na Ogechi na-adịbụ na mma before etu ọ bụla o si dị gị mma ị na-akpụ ya na phone Ogechi record go your voice no onwere ihe o wepụrụ gị n'arụ nobody is gonna beat you ekwu ya day 2 days 48 hours nke aga ihe niile end move on with na achọbakwa onye ọzọ biko ihe nna ya bụ udo ka nna ya biko Jpac ama na iwepụta onwe gị na si na ị chọrọ peace Ogechi enweghị ikwu anything again mana the more na Ogechi nwere ike ma mmadụ na-enye information ma onye nwa na-eweta we don't care information ga na-apụta day by day but biko anyị achọzighị ịnụzi ọzọ nke anyị nụrụ ezugo ana nwekwanụ nke anyị ga-anụkarịrị nke anyị anụkịta karịrị nke anyị nụgoro before biko sọsọ ya ka nna ya gị na Ogechi make it no peace directly or indirectly ka Ogechi si kwuo biko ọ bụrụ a big deal apology abụrụ a big deal ọ bụrụ a crime peace ka ị chọrọ na na ga-eje polisi peace ka a na-eje polisi eje make biko enido ha nke jegbu Ogechi ka gbugo tiketi gị na for your safety yes but ọ dịrọ necessary because ihe abụrụ a big deal to me ka m si afịa mara nka ndị ọzọ si afịa it's not a big deal ịchọrọ ijefu na ụmụnna gị n'ụlọ ijiri maka na gị na ndị a na-agbasa ga na-enwe okwu n'ụka ịma njezi ọ dịkwanụ mma ọ dịrọ mma biko Jpac May me understand. I'm gonna one day, I'm not going one on one. When to open us for now, Kai be good in Aqua. I name me a filo no so you more like I need on half one eye. Only the batak to wait chance of bosom monagog. Ozugun beacon. You had the Monday name, only my when I watch. Ozugun. Even say about America can say, Mana, when the key has a ga, or the funny. Mwana to fit a guy will see man, Okuru can mad, Okuru can nuku mad, Quoke is woman, Quoko in what I can uche. Manonya, what Okubu Jpac, or the Nako Konako Wakaka, the man they query. The man is only asking you guys to make peace. He's not siding you or siding no gate. Manonya. Kwoku maka nọdụ n'akụkụ na-akụ aka need contact gị gwara gị nye gị idea to make peace ịnọdụ n'iru nọdụ n'akụkụ na-akụ aka ị na-akụ aka na okwu kakọ ị na-akụ aka na support. He's only seeking for peace and don't make it simple and clear. Jpac na-akụrụ anyị aka ị na-akụrụ anyị aka na ọ na-asọpọt gị n'inwe supporters. Nwanne ọ bụrụ ka esi eme biko butuo biko onwe ihe ọbụla n'aka gị obi nwanne echi dịkwa butuo no gbọsọ ọzọ anyị ebidokwa ma sister to all this case. Also, see being to return on because you have no my sister Bogate, and one now working there, but it will no sit there. Saja is no qua because see, you can not qua. Kachako Udo, Kakwana Muda Maka, because since everybody here, you could be a moku, Sekubo, se continue. You could have peace because at the end of the day, a Medan again, what is peace? Why not think without peace this earlier stage? And what do you hope? Wepụrụ mụ na gị na ahụ wepụ nwere ihe wepụrụ anybody ọbara mụ na gị uru Jpac kọgide ọnwa na na-lose o nwere ihe okwugide na-asị na ọ dị lose. He's losing his fame, his contact on his businesses. He's losing nothing. It's not getting a lose friend. She might lose, but when you lose, like she always said, you can't just fight in an so get you because it's open OCD. I say can get with them Uchem can neku, but I always believe in Uchemaha. Yeah, neku boku because I always want peace. I don't side the road gate, I don't side the gate. Marana Demma, if we're Zoku, you quo Zoku. The he made from day one. Either book tempo gate or when you're Bobby award, you'll be a mud. When you met a queer because I cannot Udo. Udo ga adịkwara na and Udo ga adịra na-adịrị ụmụ anyị na-adịrị ezinụlọ anyị biko onu etu ọ bụla o si dị butu onu onye ọka na-anụ ọkụ n'obi na butu kenen onu inugo nwanne nwaanyị ọ pụta nabata ya ama na ọ ka ga-apụta ihe ọsọkwa anya dịka I know he will come kama na problem ya bụ ndị anị ya n'akụkụ bụ problem Jpac enwe na etu ọ bụla o si dị nne na gidi ya o
Okay, my brother.
Thank you.
No, right, thank you so much. All right. Peter, Paula cannot hear. So I'm Chikambiagulo. They are coming to sue me. They are coming to sue me according to Jpac. I say, no, literally, go my chum go look home. Hey, what I go? So, hello, who is joining the broadcast? How are you? Hello. 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 Morning, K1. I make a live program. You can call it. You can join live. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Welcome on.
Good morning.
Morning.
Am I coming out publicly?
Yes.
Okay. I want to thank all the listeners and I have to come here. I'm from Eritrea. and achọrọ m iji ohere a wee jụọ Sister Oge because afọ m vidio o mere n'ụtụtụ na nwa mbatazi Naijiria ọ pụta na o mechara pancha ha ga-afụzi ka ọ pụta na gịnị mezi.
My brother.
Yes.
My brother.
Yes.
Ị chọrọ ịbịa kparịa nne mụrụ gị na platform a ka ị chọrọ ịbịa kparịa onwe gị?
Ọ bụrụ ịkparị nne mụrụ gị ka nna agwa gị
Ị chọrọ ịbịa kparịa mụrụ gị? Come on, fuck off this place, stupid idiot. Atụrụ comment amatala m account gị, comment ka m block gị. You useless one. Dibi gawara kemgbe ụwa gị. Ọgwụ niile agwọwara gị kere gị n'ahụ. Enwere ha mere gị. Idiot, useless idiot. Anya kpata afọma. Sooner after that useless mother that gave back to an idiot like you. Idiot. Ọgwụ niile gwọwara n'ụwa. Omena gị ga-abụ uru. Dibịa niile gawara n'ụwa. Omena gị ga-amata ihe. With your little IQ. Comment here. Can block usukpuru nne gị. Bịa bụrụ m, iso ndị kidnapper ha setiga ịbịa kidnap ọmụ. Iso these kidnappers ha setiga ha bịa kidnap ọmụ. Osu ejekwala je chọrọ ọrụ. Alright. Osu, come on, ponga nne gị demumu. Oya, fuck off from this place. Anu, come on. Who is this one? Ka kunanu bezi biranga. Lilian Nkiru. Ichora nne gị here. Ihu ebe ibe ga na maybe night prayer. Ebe ha na achọji. Gịnị ka ịchọga bịa here? Ichọrọ osu nne gị ka ịchọrọ osu nna gị bịa here. Ena abịa shima ọfụchara fancha ọfụchara nne gị na nna gị. Bara ịkụ inyo. Nchọga onye unu ga-egbu. Una no go see me now. Aga m na America na-enye unu ya. Aga m anọ here na-enye unu ya. Asa I know they come. Why am I even coming to Nigeria if I may ask you guys? I want him to be there. Him to be there. I will invest. If I like, I go begin to sell them. How many Airbnb? Parotu ipu negi. Oya. Otila. Fuck off. You're not meant to be here. And I jump back comment and I'm at my account again. Ishula na amu pegi every morning. Back comment here. Get comment to wegi. Come on, comment. Ndala. I know they go Nigeria again. Oh yeah. Bia Bruno me buru. Ndala amusu hese tichana ka ga eshi bia gbuo oge echi. I'm running for Osun Negi. Oh yeah? Kidnapper. Ndobu oro brale kwa ama pofa. Achida Frederick Obi. Kidnapper. Ndamusu. Ndoshi. Ichana mwa. Uno chagoni get kidnapped this Christmas. Okay. You were 100 million. You didn't go near Jesus. Ndala una about 200 million. Ndoshi. Get who chang. Get a picture of this Frederick now. I may not to kidnap man. Ona kem kika. I want them gakangano. I'm an American name. You to. Be kidnap one of them. This Christmas in Naparalaka. Idiot. Nda kidnapper. Nda musundo buaroba. Ndo chogam no Jpac ego this Christmas. Na okwala na akabuola m ticket mo. Akabuola m ya na aga hum. Bia no bia pono no. Maka ma akwa ka m unu bia Chicago bi su mu. Nga ka m unu ga na akpata ya. Unu su chama ekwu ọzọ. Bia gide no m. Dal. Chema chana plan cha ha sheri ego. Ọkwacha ga-enye ha ego ha hapụ oge echi. Inyecha ha ego ha erepuo m. Otu na ha hụrụ m na-esheki. otu ahụ na shake na blue up shake eba shake aba ha puru amu ha na ka na eche onye ha gire epuni una no go see me na ga rape na ga kidnap mo kwala nna rape chamu ni kekro mu work for 1 week or 1 month nga nwara go tula nwara chamu egwu pa mi ime ya dala una aga ahụ mu akagbuela ticket I know they come. I don't mean Wosa. Hey, get one on Seruaka. Dala. Biagitenu. Opalang Dala. A position. A position and give them make imagine through spiritual imagination. I gotta go. No, na piano. Where you ram ubuum. Chocolate ram. Dollar. Kabula ticket. Woo! I know they come. I'm Quacham. No plan, I no game. Or wound is shim. Meso palando no gago this year. Dala. Ono the gebe bia soon beyond. Ya soon here. I change my mind. I change my mind. I don't change my mind. I change my mind. I've changed my mind. Ooh. Imagine. Mother dream this and don't want completed building. Ebo mosquito got bagam da boom. Bagam da boom mosquito amana chana ngaho. Pusu na puri amana chana ngaho. Ma imagine when experience mosquito, let me only experience abere. The thing bagam okay mosquito. O bagam owo that oga na na jam na akum mkpeke ni every morning every night. Otulamu ka wu fejim. Ye me adrika ya work Jpac. Ya na shimiri. Ana mo tula. Ana mo okpo. They want to finish me. Ari kem yoga. Woo! Ke ba e were amu atokpa akpo e mo odum ti ma za. Planning day. Oh palanno. I know they come. Woo! I know they come. Unu checha, unu watcha mo na kachicha baba nke nu. I know they come. Jpac and ex-convicts, they are all criminals. They have planned Beje boom this coming December. Kabuolam ticket, no they come. Etila home as credit of anytime I want to travel to anywhere, I can use it. Odi shaga he when amubuomo, aga ebuzo bia collect suego. One collect sega anajiru ruamu ruga aga ebuzo finish godin before nwa bia ham. Aga ham aga make church and oburum. Quite a disappointment. Anu lulu lion n'aka anapu ya hu. O mechiri odum n'onu lolulu. I'm telling you, many people are pogom. Chiamba, this is not ordinary. I don't cancel them. Dala. I think I'm by here with la Daniel Utinyani modum. Hadara very man. How was it like? Chideka kuche hono. Daniel alo gani menga ho puta. But Daniel no approve hen. Na emezire. I'm not coming. And I'm abia. I want to end up planning. Now, the Roman no. Chicago, I die. Chicago, I stay. Sorry, Ogampo bia buru okokola. Yeru oru la kuka ada ba na egbushie ya. Ogampo ahetie. Some of them getting buna page. Yes, I know they come. Onon seru haka. Tom. Okay, check your WhatsApp. Okay. Make a check. They have planned evil for me, but God passed them. What I am on Pacific. Specific science. Where am I? I not see anything.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Well, I've been working. Good morning. You know, after 4 this now in Nigeria. Mommy and I got that side. I'm Chinedu by name. How I'm in every single thing in but it goes the truth. Daughter, come on, the guy from Dice.
Who is this one? You feel like crying? I don't run. I don't run. No. I run while I'm run off for my life. Let the manager send the girl. It is good you cancelled. It is good. Oh, child, a lot of people we are worried. Oh, yeah, it is good you cancelled. It is good you can. Oh, Bialekpa. Okay, I'm the happiest person that you cancelled. That was they will really be in a big confusion. Yes, yes. Disappointed. No. It's good to actually who fight to run away and live to fight for another day. Sorry, no. Next time on home, not this year, no coming. Especially in car in Jpac na achọ nwa ya na ex-convict chọrọ onye ya ga-egbu ha. It's good. And I also like it to help. Akpụcha n'ọnụ ha ji egbu m. They will try this information. I just got I'm your fan. God bless you for counsel. Well, I know that. Child.
Good evening from Eba.
Child.
Okay.
You can send message now.
This guy need to stop too much. All those who dream fancy. Frankly speaking, I may follow you. I like him. Like normal, like I don't want to see love. When you're not waking, to be also original, like the man agape. I'm good man. When I'm busy here in Canada. I may follow you. We even know I may follow Panama. Just for them, no poor. Most times, for them, more effect due to her nature of her job. Do you understand? So sometimes, for some getting all my own and may follow you. Can you but when you can, what's a time ago, I cannot fit. So at a point, Opolo needs have further content creators or the Nigeria work and self young moons have gate. We can get the rare. biko ụzọ ya na-abụ ka m chọrọ ịyọ gị kịta biko ewekwa n'iwe na nke m kwubu ekele gị so much onye isi wee nabata ihe nkwu with ihe ụmụnne m ndị ọzọ ama m na so many people ga na-akpọ gị maọbụ na-enyekwa advice ịghọtago thank you so much na-eme m ọnwekwa ike oge adịpụra ya mba magosa ga ma ọ kparịa ịnọdụ aka na 15 bet thank God mgbe m fụkwa the message thank you so much then more dị happy ihe m na-achị ma ọ kparịa ịnọdụ aka na 15 bet thank God mgbe m fụkwa the message thank you so much then more dị happy ihe m na-achị ma ọ kparịa ịnọdụ aka na 15 bet thank God mgbe m fụkwa the message thank you so much then more dị happy
Yeah, fake account. Yeah, what do Abuja? Yeah, fake account. This is not Abuja. Yeah, fake account. Let me block the annoyer. Oh yeah, fuck out of here. Odo Abuja that claim to be Odo Abuja. Oh yeah, fuck your ass out of here. You are just a ranting idiot. Can't even afford a ticket. I'll claim to be American citizen, but you cannot come here. Come on, I get your puyaka one in a one. In Nigeria, big a high and they kidnapper. Oh yeah, fuck off of here, Abuja. Come on, Joe, or get you high and then tapo. Very useless, a local prostitute. Come on, fuck off for here, some idiots. No woge. Come on, fuck your. I show you here. You are waiting. You are patient. You are waiting for me. Chineke walk one negi na na go kebere pom negi idiot. Come on, susunu shinga for iso. Ono ya na kunde mad 400,000 ka abia na. You can't even bala each one American passport in where go ticket here. Come on, fuck your we out of this place. Hello? Yeah, reducing kids are watching. Yeah, morning. Okay.
Okay, live program. I can continue. WhatsApp.
Okay.
So, what you can so ticket today? I like it,
Thank you.
Even since come that's all go off no war. That's going on in Nigeria. And then I've got Nigeria war. Even your journey in the ditch. Especially the time and make it and one who does the Hamashi way plan on evil. You go. So ticket to get a counselor.
Igbo Abuja, fuck out of here.
Okay, she can't say them and one name. I like them so much, and thank God. You may think no be where they can so ya them because now one way now buy back Abu war. We all know the truth.
I show Abuja buy a ticket to them. I wish you with a blue passport. Come, let's fight it here.
From the one, we know the truth. Yes, I have been actually making. I am a come home. About another home, Nahaga. Let's say now, you pay a court. I'm not name of the court. Man, I had to go to Jpac choose the court. I apply a very deep.
More than Guinea court. Ha Galaga one day get wounded.
So all the motive she cancel lawyer.
Thank you.
How the truth? People can the truth. Jpac didn't direct. Sometimes people are now what bridge in direct way. Where you go, they don't direct way. In this Zion, if none come go to no bodo, no doka. So can alone. No doka. Pinye kwaraya bia kwuo no ndo ka obo mazin doka na-etie obewa na okay na nke a na-emekita na ha erute na ahụ wutewe ya ma o chefu na mmadụ kwa oge si so na atụ obuko ife otu agodoro obuko obi ya atụ obuko before bata ministry akamaka na achụpụ achụrụ igwe ya na nke ndị dịbago bata Zion ministry Zion ministry ebe na ndara chukwu na ekwu na ofisi ya n'oge Bruno somebody bụ evo na-achọ inyopụte ọ bụrụ nyopụtere ha chọrọ inyopụte dịka internet ka ifu na ya karị nọ on top ọ bụrụ na onye oche aka na Zion ministry ahụ ndị ụka aka afụshi anya Because my monkey also not ever. No more and we did the secret one. So I go to feel the way the yak gave me Muzia. Go. I go to feel and what was a plan on to if they had met them that our lawyer, Nande, on a phone, even not that visitor. Over on our phone. That man on a few years since. I was only when I'm waiting that I got my dog. Because you because you cool. Come on, one and a sign of focus. I also said if the meeting arrest. Ultimately, arrest. I don't teach you to cool. Now, Jpac. Yeah, man, you know.
Share yes, ejo cooking kukuwe. No one kids are watching. No one kids are watching. Banyo on a distraction.
Because since you made a address, can't I teach you to you was a book or not? Now, Jpac avatar give me. Where focus, we may one secret. Let me just talk about you.
Yes, Jpac plan new war. Iye kuchiri Jpac okwu na wogechi. Our plan in a new war. We better go. In like otochiri kwuo na ndị abịa after burial be sumu. Otako she got somebody. Now her plan a new war for Zion for revenge for them not making money. All who kuchiri hana and they tell you nothing but the truth. Otam what information now? Even on a poor call.
Zion minister Nande.
On a poor
that man, our Fuga here.
I don't want to talk much. I just decided to keep quiet because someone hang the kuna. I should not get you. Why would you be saying it? Let me keep quiet. I have my reasons.
Even now, neighbor has no matter now because of Zion. On a Fuga here, and no, Kerenda Bundoka. Comment of Kerenda Bundoka was rich. Kerenda Bundo,
my honey.
Yeah, Kuzan on a problem. Now, if the personal one and Kerenda put it in Doka.
Exactly.
And when Zion arrest, on to arrest, on to Kaka, a quack Zion, on the cup of Bundoka. And I had to matter my name was Petanaz. And I asked this, okay, I one Zion, one Zion. Now, sim, you know, have to forget na Zion. Cabrera could be a quote against Sungoa. Man, I believe in the Zion of my head. When I tell you the truth, you know, the man code, and we must have to copy with him. Now, I'm put you in this way. Nandiza and Naloga, man, I'm going to work for like one Ijele, more Ijele, Emily Jera. How about you know? How am Doka? How to not now in Hano? How does not Zion made the arrest? But I go now, likewise in Kakita. I'll go out and Abu, one personal problem. You just you with the two quay and Abu because I feel whenever I'm be before. You don't want to forget. I don't know what's going on. Shinemia. Give a critical that is in Paga. But at the man go of Ian and Abu, Zion. That is the truth of Ian. Because I don't know what I don't see. I don't know what I don't know with the non-talker. Non-talker, get him the Bundoka. Get him the Bundoka. I want the Zion.
100 days, 100 days, 100 days. No, now how musu? After 100 days, how
putting in that room to listen. Manaman Kebe so. And what did they call Kuya Basara Ijele? Because Jpac never going if you remember this Ijele. How much everything? They knows everything. And to check a house, Otoberase, the one year was I'll get about the prophet, and a prophet, I'm a prophet, prophet on the Christians, corner, basically, or talk about a prophet.
And that's Zion. Hear that man in the yesterday, Demma. And that's Zion. I'm asking you. Hear that man in the yesterday, Demma.
I think the man listen here, you can answer. I was dripping on back of you. I wouldn't want to hear every day put away like a better madam. Uncle Fere. I wouldn't be able to home. I was racing one name, one mail truck. One boy of Zion. And that one I'll go in here. Not Jaja. Because include the ever on the son. Could I can say Bukobi? What you need to now, every son I get back to Brazil. woman is supposed to be able to already feed her. Now I hate to marry for the truth. Now I won't go kiri. What I go? Man, I want them to cancel the tickets again. Why I want you to go to more 2-3 years. Kiga me again. What I go? Man, I am I was saying that them happiness.
Thank you.
We all know the truth. I never finished about the poor walker. You don't go.
Akabola me, no they go.
Oh, I you have great honor. Now you have in the Karabi Shimana in another camera. Oh, you be able to check it. I won't have it. Please, actually, I took on peace. Magamasi, a matter of peace. You don't go. I'm the truth. Yeah, how about the truth? Can you America all the secrets in you? I'm a more. I'm a more. You understand? No, the tango, the one who let Raka. Yana was a car, like secrets had online. But I know how to talk. Now they make a memo, get away me. Even for the first time, Jpac people, I'm not the move up over Paga and Bembo. Umboso, I know have Paya Porono. Thank
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
My second time, if I never back, you should say, thank you. No morning. I was a poor, I'm not going to go. I don't have prayer minute. I don't have prayer minute. Nature touch secret in Naka. My secret thinking. Thank you. How are you?
The person on I refer to. Simple.
We all know the truth, my sister. You can't check it together, my one name. You know, I go on Facebook. I got to home. And you could get me, and the kids who are a lot of people, Mago Bola, or Congo, and didn't know how could I. And how could I? And I'm going to have a thank you. I want me to could have to try. Now, do you have to name it? Now, we say, Patana Basaga. You go. So I like the motivation way court or secret.
Thank you. Thank you, my sister. Thank you.
As small as I am taking desire, listen to God, because I was not half of well, a hasana, no, Nana Hama, no Mahagan, so Nazayan. If it was you, could make a hidden and himself, when I was saying stress.
Oh, yes, Mahomakamu.
Ex-conversation go be. I'm a home.
It's okay. He can say whatever. It's okay. He can. He can say.
On that Zion. Also, condition of Rana. They will go war in Ireland. But I'm going out from Zion. Only a personal war. From this day one, Israel and do Zion. We had a put in the Facebook. They go people. They will have 3 more to join on the Zion. We will say, so now I battle her. Now battle her until they moved that who did arrest. Until I understand to play like a couple of us again was on your corner. When I am an Abraham going out for the Hena for Nanzuso. No man could you Hannah, where I think I had a minute by a cabo. Oh, we can't get Legania. Manamaga, Sicily is put up to your poor. Nigeria is so what. Now, when he came, Matsuko, the children of the hard to travel. So thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Even my mother, Papa, Mandana Ganako, Makunda send they got very alert, even me by him. Because I ain't now on Abu Beraga. You go, so you got very, very alert. My country about when America here, because
thank you. All right. Who somebody join him, sorry.
Yeah, so I joined the William before, so something that be on my mind. I'm trying to draw your attention to something. One of my rush hospital, I want elective surgery this morning, so can drop all this thing.
Okay.
In the future, anytime you plan to travel anywhere, be it Nigeria, you're an American citizen, so you have free distance travel to so many countries. Do not share your travel details online. You know, the first day he put her online, you made mention of December 30th time. I was worried because I told him the reason why you should do that.
My sister, what in them laga? You need them na Johnson how Johnson.
Aha, very good. Because I was worried.
My cousin and Uncle, I know they go nowhere. I was just on joking them. Hana Malielu. I they jones to them. Or they can knock okay chigalawa today. I can't announce. I just they jones to them. Because I not say all of them Ishiha game piam.
Exactly.
Even this one now,
Exactly.
where I cancel, which ticket I book to cancel? I know book shake I no cancel nothing. They are just fooling themselves. So love
Exactly.
no. If I'm crazy, I could announce where they go.
Even how many years ago, compulsory EG agent a book ticket in Jaga Nigeria anywhere because each book you had to say bring your passport. One your passport Balakoni road. Did they fly? Are you
So my
getting me? You already
president,
on the
my brother,
again.
knock at that no now. They are just fooling themselves. I don't even know
Yeah.
how they will even believe. Say, okay, Chico, they go. They tell them.
Because even I'm lady very smart. But the day he made that announcement, I was worried.
Because let me tell you, you can see I'm a good actor, right? I'm a good actor.
Yes, I
I
noticed
can.
that.
So you even self you believe I'm say I they travel.
No, I
Boom, I got
don't
travel.
believe
I
for real. I will not lie.
I just
I
so
believe in me. I will not lie.
even now, talk say I don't cancel ticket. You believe I'm cancel Guinea. We book Guinea. They go where?
Only chose in the case. Let the person, the Ghana American embassy,
Anybody,
apply for visa.
let me tell you, I'm the one idiot that what do Abuja. What you got
Uh,
idiot to shine with American passport, but they cannot book a ticket. A millionaire that claim, what idiot to you cannot book a ticket and come to
oh
Chicago
wow!
and face your fellow woman face to.
And don't want a passport.
Negligent, I'm not America, but go. You have to come to America to fight me.
Yeah, exactly now, since she have the passport, all claim law citizen. So America self should be the best place.
Hello? Welcome. Alpha. Thank you, man. It's already in your ego. I need dream 10 million. Nje megere. I believe when I made the money cooking what I just need the 10 million. My plan my MGA me. Keyboard at this early morning or the one man. Because you're not going anyhow. Give me a minute.